we have a unique opportunity to lead the industry by combining our world-class human expertise with world-leading technology. Hi, I'm Yasmin Podesta, and I'm thrilled to be joining Dalcour Maclaren as Director for Data and Innovation. I'm a strategic leader with a passion for harnessing data and technology to drive meaningful impact for our clients, teams, and the communities we serve. I spent the last 15 years leading global data, analytics, and transformation programs across sectors including construction, technology, and public services. Most recently, I was head of data at Multiplex, a global construction company, and I'm also proud to be an Army veteran. What drew me to Dalcour Maclaren is the company's bold vision for the future and its commitment to innovation. Like many organisations, DM is at a pivotal point in its journey, and I'm joining at a time when the potential for transformation is huge. What excites me most is the opportunity to help shape a future where cutting-edge technologies like AI, automation, and advanced analytics are integrated into the way that we work, enhancing our capabilities, not replacing them. We have a very ambitious board who are passionate about innovation and data. This means we have a unique opportunity to lead the industry by combining our world-class human expertise with world-leading technology. In my role, I'll be building a forward-looking data and innovation strategy that puts clients at the heart of everything we do. That means setting the stage for data-driven decision-making, exploring how AI can unlock new ways of working, and providing a suite of capabilities that empower our people to do their best work. I believe that innovation is a team sport, and at DM, our culture of progress, trust, and excellence really complements the power of innovation. So I'm ecstatic to be part of a team where together we will create solutions and deliver services that are not only smarter, but more sustainable, inclusive, and impactful.